Have you ever pondered the end of the universe? A question as massive as the cosmos itself, yet so enthralling it's hard not to let your mind wander into the abyss of this thought. The universe, an expanse so vast it's beyond our comprehension, and yet, we find ourselves contemplating its potential demise. We're talking about a concept that's paradoxical in nature. The universe is all we've known, all we've ever observed, and all we've ever existed in. Yet, here we are, hypothesizing about its end. It's a bit like trying to imagine a self-destruct button for existence itself. But what if we were to tell you that there are not one, but three potential ways this cosmic drama could draw to a close? Each one more mind-boggling than the last, and each one a testament to the colossal scale of the universe we inhabit. Let's dive into the first of these colossal possibilities, shall we? Imagine a universe slowly dying, its energy dissipating until nothing remains. This is the premise of the Big Freeze theory, a chilling hypothesis that predicts the universe's eventual demise. The Big Freeze, also known as heat death, is a concept rooted in the laws of physics, specifically the second law of thermodynamics. This law states that entropy, or the measure of disorder in a system, always increases over time. In the context of our universe, this means that as time marches forward, all forms of energy are gradually spreading out, becoming more and more dispersed. Stars, the powerhouses of the cosmos, are burning through their nuclear fuel, releasing energy in the form of light and heat. This energy radiates outward, traveling across the vast reaches of space. But space itself is not static. It's expanding, growing larger with each passing moment. As it does, the energy within it becomes more and more diluted. Over unimaginable stretches of time, the stars will exhaust their fuel, their brilliant light fading to embers, then to darkness. With no new stars to replace them, the universe will become a cold, dark place. And it doesn't stop there. Even the energy that remains, the faint whispers of heat and light still lingering, will continue to spread out. Eventually this energy will become so diffuse, so spread out that it can no longer do work. In other words, the universe will have reached a state of maximum entropy, or heat death. In this state, all processes that consume energy, from the burning of stars to the thoughts in your brain, will grind to a halt. The universe, once a bustling hub of activity, will be left a cold, lifeless void, with not even the faintest spark of energy left to disturb the eternal stillness. A chilling end indeed. But what if the universe's demise is not so quiet? Picture a universe collapsing in on itself, like a deflating balloon. This, my friends, is the premise of the Big Crunch theory, one of the proposed ways our universe might meet its end. It's a scenario where the cosmos, as we know it, might dramatically shrink back to its original size. But how, you ask? Let's dive in. The Big Crunch theory is predicated on the idea that the gravitational pull of all the matter in the universe will eventually overcome the force that's currently causing it to expand. Picture it as a cosmic tug-of-war. Right now, the universe is expanding, pulled by some mysterious force we've named dark energy. But what if gravity, that old familiar force, starts to pull harder? If this happens, the universe's expansion won't just slow down, it will reverse. Galaxies, stars, everything will start moving closer together, the distances between them shrinking. This is where the crunch part of the Big Crunch comes into play. As the universe contracts, the density of matter and energy will increase. Temperatures will rise astronomically, and everything will converge into an incredibly hot, dense point. This point, or singularity, is similar to the state of the universe just before the Big Bang. Now, the Big Crunch theory is not without its critics. There is ongoing debate in the scientific community about whether there's enough matter in the universe for gravity to win this cosmic tug-of-war and cause a big crunch. The current consensus leans towards a universe that will continue to expand forever, leading to a different kind of end, the Big Freeze, which we discussed earlier. But let's not forget, science is always evolving, and our understanding of the universe is far from complete. The Big Crunch theory, while not the current favorite, still holds a place in the pantheon of potential cosmic ends. A dramatic end, for sure. But what if the universe's fate is not so predictable? We'll explore this further in the next scene. Stay tuned. Envision a universe tearing itself apart, every atom ripped to shreds. This may sound like a plot from a science fiction novel, but it's actually a well-regarded theory about the potential end of our universe, known as the Big Rip. The Big Rip theory is a cosmological hypothesis, a thought experiment, if you will, about the ultimate fate of the universe. It starts with the concept of dark energy. Dark energy, my friends, is a mysterious form of energy that's believed to be spread throughout the entire universe. It's invisible, elusive, and most importantly, it's responsible for the expansion of the universe. But here's where things get interesting. The Big Rip theory proposes that the density of this dark energy could increase over time. And if the density of dark energy increases, so does its power. This could lead to an ever-accelerating expansion of the universe, faster and faster until everything rips apart. Imagine this: galaxies would first be torn apart, then solar systems followed by planets and stars. Even atoms, the fundamental building blocks of matter, would be ripped to pieces. Nothing would be safe from this dark, energy-driven apocalypse. Now, this may sound terrifying, but it's important to remember that this is just one of many theories about the end of the universe. And it's based on our current understanding of dark energy, which, let's be honest, is still quite limited. Furthermore, even if the Big Rip were to happen, it wouldn't be for a very, very long time. Billions and billions of years in the future, long after our sun has burnt out and the Earth is no more. So there's no need to lose sleep over this particular cosmic catastrophe. A horrifying end, certainly, but what does it all mean for us? Well, in the grand scheme of things, not much. But it does serve as a reminder of the immense, unimaginable forces at play in our universe, and the fascinating mysteries that still await our discovery. So, the universe ends. What then? Well, we've journeyed through the chilling prophecy of the Big Freeze, the cataclysmic collapse of the Big Crunch, and the horrifying tear of the Big Rip. Each theory paints a picture of the universe's end as grand and as dramatic as its birth. But as we stand, or rather float, in the vast expanse of the cosmos, contemplating these theories, we can't help but reflect on our own existence. We, the human race, an infinitesimal speck on the cosmic canvas. From this perspective, our lives, our planet, even our solar system seem almost insignificant in the grand scheme of things. Yet it's this very insignificance that makes us significant. It's a paradox, isn't it? The universe, in all its glory, is oblivious to its own magnificence. It's us, the observers, who give it meaning. We are the ones who marvel at the stars, ponder black holes, and seek to understand the mysteries of time and space. The end of the universe, as daunting as it may be, offers a profound opportunity for reflection. It forces us to question not just where we're headed, but where we've come from. It makes us appreciate the beauty of existence, the miracle of life, and the privilege of consciousness. So what if the universe ends? Well, it's not really about the end, is it? It's about the journey. It's about the quest for knowledge, the discovery, the exploration. It's about the stories we tell, the lessons we learn, and the legacy we leave behind. The end of the universe is a daunting thought, but it's a reminder of our place in the cosmic scheme of things. And who knows, maybe we'll figure out a way to avoid these ends, or perhaps we'll find a new universe to call home.